Lily is a young girl that lives in a village. One day she finds a small rabbit outside her house. The rabbit is white, soft, and very cute. Lily says, "I will take care of you, I promise you." She gives him food and water. She decides to call him Snowy because he is very white. Each day Lily spends time with Snowy. She holds him in her hands as a pet and hugs him. She loves him very much. Snowy is quiet and gentle. He is very special for Lily, and she can't imagine her life without him. They become friends. But one sunny morning, something bad happens. Lily holds Snowy in her arms, but suddenly, Snowy jumps and runs away. "Snowy!" Lily calls. She runs after him to catch him. Then she sees something. Snowy runs to another rabbit. Lily hides behind the tree at the moment. It is a bigger rabbit. His mum. Lily looks at them. Snowy and his mum touch noses. They are happy to see each other. Lily feels sad. She says, "I don't want to lose you." But then something wonderful happens. A few days later, Snowy comes back, and he brings his mum with him. They eat grass near Lily's house. Lily smiles and is very happy that Snowy is back. She says, "You are happy with your mum, and it's very important for you to be with her, I think." From that day, Lily sees them every morning. Snowy is free, but he always comes back to say hello. Lily always has food for Snowy and his mum, and she is always happy to see them in the garden. Finally, Lily understands something important. If you love, you can let them go.